Alright guys, this is my custom stretch Chevy long flatbed, dually, tow truck, whatever you want to call it. So this is the Chevy dually snap kit 1996 cab and interior. I also took the wheels. The frame is the 1991 F350 dually kit with the rear end. Yeah, I'm still working on it. Gotta paint it, add some stuff, but everybody's asked me so much about this, so I figured I'd do a video on it. This is the flatbed that I ordered off of eBay. I've sent it to a couple of people already. It's $20. It comes with a hook. There also is chains for it, which I have somewhere around here. But it slides nice, and then this pops down. Oh, there's the chains. And then that also pulls out. So it goes left, right, up. And it's super functional. So this also slides like that. Here's my chain. So this is just a short preview. I'm still working on it, but for right now it's done. Tell me what you guys think. I've gotten a lot of comments on it. And let me know. Thank you very much.